Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to POCO M5s. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. When your app is ready, select Open. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on Xiaomi smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you can choose Not Now in this pop-up if you wish to, and close it by selecting OK. Following that, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi and Receive over here next to it on POCO. Then click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you finished, choose Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I will go with only one file. Choose Send next to selected and tap on Got it. Over here on POCO, tap on the best option for you, in my case no thanks, and choose Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here next to input key, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. And now, as you can see, after a while, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!